Hello friends, welcome in Java tutorial programming language. Friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to set the path in Java. Okay friends, now let's start. Now friends, we will set the path. In search we will check the path is set or not. Write cmd, click right here Java C. Java C is a Java compiler. It is here showing path is not set. Okay, now we will set the path. Now right here environment, in search here is showing the edit environment variable for your account. Click here and here we will set the path on new variable name path, and in variable value we will set the location of the JDK 12. So on CC click on cdex, click on program file. Now click on Java. Now click on JDK 12. It is new version. Click on win. Now copy the location here and paste in the variable value. Click OK. Now click OK. Now path is successfully set. So now check the path is set or not. Write cmd, right here Java C. Now path is successfully set. Okay, thank you for watching friends.